So man, we're trying to get this car working right with the clutch. So right now we just put some transmission fluid on it, and then we did the clutch bleeding. That's what is the clutch. That's the transmission and the clutch right there. And let's hope this works. But check this out though. This is sick. They just took out the engine out. The axles and everything. This is nice out here. Let's fix it up. And he's back. Let's see what you gotta say.
Alright, you drive it.
So yeah, let's see if this car actually works. I mean, it will work. Let's say that. This like not used to driving with a phone on still, but I'll let y'all be right. I'll be right back, guys. We're back again, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Better than before. Right there.
Push me to the edge.
So right now I'm walking towards the car so I could start it up and go straight to that MLZ show. I'm trying to see if I could put my car on the show because I didn't even get the option to put the car on the show when I brought the ticket. So I'm gonna try to see if I can still put it on the show and just pay a little bit more in cash or something. But if not, then fuck it. Don't matter. Still gonna go in there and gonna see some drifts and shit. Also, I'm gonna be meeting up with one of my boys with his GTR, or I don't know which one it is. He got a 35, the 33, and I think the 32. Not sure. But all he needs is the 35 and he got all of them. I mean, not all of them, but the biggest one. But yeah, let's get this car heated up now. There she is. Already up. Oh damn, I didn't put it straight. But fucking light. Who cares? So yeah. Trying to put this on the show. I know it's gonna be a holiday. I know that for a fact, and that is gonna get fixed. But holiday, definitely this car is gonna be on the show. And then on top of that, I'm gonna have those lights on the bottom, those LED lights. Fucking those bumper. I forgot what it's called. Fuck. Trying to get a new fucking valve cover and a new manifold that I have, but for some reason it doesn't fit through the throttle body. So I don't know if I have to get a spacer, but I'm also gonna buy a new throttle body that could go with it. Those Sconsu, and then it has a Sconsu throttle body, I mean, and then swap this, put something else, because I'm gonna be a turbo in there, in that space right here. That's gonna go probably coming out of the bumper or something. But yeah, yo, people are leaving because it's a big line. Look at my boy over here.
Size of these 20s? I got 20 back here and 19 behind. That's your fire. Yeah.
Yo, I'm trying to get one of these straight from Japan, he said. Oh my god.
Apple juice up?
Get yours at Samsung.com. Compatible solution.
Look at that already.
Someone probably called the cops who's been waiting in traffic or something.
I wonder why.
Did all that for what? For nothing.
Oh, Mama!
All that for nothing.
Maybe he thought it was an accident or something, or he wanted to see what was going on and he used his legs to get up there.
Mommy.
I don't know.
That's what cops do.
Mommy.
He's an annoying cop, that's what it is.
Now I
Okay, some parking lots, cars out here. Ain't that bad though. Yo, check this out though. Wide body. Okay, the Mustang. Oh, what is this? Holy shit. Yeah, you should have. Well, should have. I was not told. Yeah, you like that car? Yeah, this E was nice. Why? Cause the pink? I like it cause the pink. Damn, look at that Lexus. Damn. Look at that. That's crazy. Got a Porsche. Oh my god. Look at that. Whoa, 400 odd. Okay. Crazy. Oh yeah, you like that one?
Yeah.
Look at this one. I think you like this one. It's going for it. Yeah, look at the Sylvia. Okay.
Alright, so we're not obviously not going to touch our phone. We're going to be like very far away from
So let's go over here, and the other side is the Subaru. Whoa, stop. God. Hold on, I'm about to go over here. stop. You good, you good. Stop messing with that. Jeez. Look at this, the carbon is painted. Yeah, what to say? Look at that. Yo, that's crazy. Whoa. Oh, your friend shows up though. Look at that.
I haven't seen her in like 10 years.
Oh my god.
And yeah, she's always been into cars. Actually, you want to know something funny? She's obsessed with cars. Like you. But she,
Go ahead, okay.
she drove my little black car for the first time. I was the first person to trust her to drive a car, not even her mom. And she almost crashed it. She did it, she had it in reverse.
Yeah.
Slammed on the gas and we went
You
flying
have to walk.
backwards. And she stopped at the I'm telling you, we were like this close. We got out and looked. We were this close to smashing into some guy's huge trailer.
Wow.
It was insane. I don't know, like God really had us there because it was almost touching. We cracked up, of course, because we were young and stupid. But think about it, that shit is pretty crazy. But yeah, so I taught her how to drive, kind of.
Ooh, we got a wide body
No,
Porsche. Look at that. Sick. Let's go see the show. Slammed out 334. Another Adam LZ GTR right here. Nice. Alright, let's go see the show.